Hey guys, Steve Zellenardo here with Remax West Zellenardo Associates. I want to talk about mortgage rates today because every time I bump into a client, any colleague, everyone's talking about mortgage rate hikes. And I want to talk about why they're increasing or what my opinion is why they're increasing. It's almost like digging through the trenches and finding the right information why it's always spiking in October. And I did some due diligence here. I went back from 2008 all the way to 2020. Naturally, COVID's kind of thrown everything off. But if you see a lot of these spikes here, I kind of made some marks on them. That's always an October judgment, and you'll see like the graph either go up or down. And basically what's happening is, sad to say, but if you're a bank executive, you're going to be looking for your bonuses at the end of the year. And if your performance at the end of the third quarter going into the fourth quarter is not where it should be, let's say you didn't sell enough new mortgages, that means you're not going to get paid out your bonuses or less of your bonus. So you're going to make sure that your bonus is intact. So what happens is usually in October, going into the fourth quarter, which is October, you'll see either an increase in interest rates or a lowered interest rate. So talk about our October now here in 2021, where September, where, for example, like TD had a 5-year fix for 1.9%. And then into October, now TD raised their interest rates 30 basis points to 2.2%. So a 5-year fix is 2.2%. That means the bank executives have succeeded and are going to get paid out their bonuses at the end of this year. So they don't really care about the end of the year. So everything is pretty much gravy at this point. The problem is with that in our current climate in real estate is that creates an unnecessary frenzy, because what's happening with, let's say, buyers that are still haven't purchased properties and are starting to see like an interest rate hike, like 30 basis points, this, number one, can take them out of the affordability of the house that they want to buy, because currently right now with the market values of every property, any type of basis points, any incremental basis points in an upward direction could basically take you out of the house that you want. So it's taking buyers right off the woodworks and being more aggressive in buying. This is why we've seen actually our inventory just drop right down this week compared to last week, because this is when our interest rates hiked up another 30 basis points. So it's creating an unnecessary frenzy. So that's pretty much it. Even you'll see here, this one's quite interesting. If this is 2018, you see this big slide down here, and this was a political gain, because in 2018 the federal election was gearing up. Obviously the Liberals were in power. How to stay in power is always to make your economy look like it's flowing and it's increasing in value. You can always talk about the numbers, talking about how much everything's going up. But you see this is a huge slide from 2018 into 2019. And then after election, there was a little bit of a spike, and then naturally COVID happened and everything just dropped right down to the bottom. So it's just, so interest rate hikes are usually based on bonuses or it's political gain. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions regarding these topics, you can always reach out to me on my socials or directly. And yeah, if you like these videos, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll get you on the next one. Ciao.